Long time no see. I saw you guys like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, STV's over here killing it. He's like, dude, yes, yes. I'm like, oh no, you degenerate here.
It's nasty.
It really is.
I'm
It
just playing. I
really.
was playing with it with like even smaller size today to just screw around with it, and it's so nasty.
Oh yeah,
Like
it's.
GoldenEye, dude, is just like it's the most ridiculous thing ever. I haven't lost today.
You haven't lost today.
No.
Yeah, let me show you guys why he hasn't lost today.
I didn't take the move down, but I played the pre-market move up into market open and then the bounce.
Right,
They were
so
all on the 3-minute.
you want a 3-minute?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So I didn't
Okay.
play the move down, but you see the move up in pre-market?
Yeah.
The one right into market open. I hit that one.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't even hit the
Nice.
good ones, and I'm still fucking killing it. Like,
Oh boy. This man here. This man here. All right. So I'm
your
looking
spy
at
chart looks different than mine.
I have my settings set to 16.
Oh,
So
yeah, I like 9. 9's great.
9 is great. For me, playing on the 1 minute, it just sort of kind of like smooths it out for me a little bit. Just and you guys see it here, and just really, really smooths things out. So, all right, let's get right into it, man. How you guys doing in the chat here? Let's see who's in here. Let's see.
We got the team in here. I want to see that like button go crazy too. We're bringing back these streams, team. Let us know.
Yes, we're bringing back the streams.
One second.
Can we start doing these updates before market open? Red Tape, I saw you ask that question in the master stream. Unfortunately, it's you get it when you get it. You know, we have men hard at work. You got men who are working to 1, 2, 3 in the morning Eastern time. You got other men who are doing the updates, getting up early, super early, and then just making sure that these updates come to you. So we can never promise anything. It's either we have faster turnaround time, which that's what we were shooting for. That's why you guys got these indicators this morning. Or you sit there just begging us in market talk all day. So when is it going live? When is it going live? So
you can't make it. You guys would have been complaining all day. When are we gonna get it? It's like you got it. You have it.
You got it. So appreciate the hard work that the men and women in this community are putting in so that you guys can have it, right? Because it's definitely helping you to print.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So STV, share your screen. What have you been looking at today?
Not much. We were literally just looking at SPY. That's it.
You were looking at SPY.
That's really it. SPY, Tesla's a crazy person. If the SPY turns around, Tesla's going to do some wizard shit. But that's really it. Just SPY and Tesla. Other than that, everything's just been kind of screwing around. Did you hear that AMC had a profitable quarter?
Who?
AMC.
Oh, congrats.
That's nice. I was like, good for them.
Yeah, congrats. Still a tradable stock. All right. So let me show you guys basically what this looks like here. Right. So this is essentially a trade design that we created this morning. Came right down to the trade design. All right, cool. We're looking at Tesla on the 5-minute. So you have GoldenEye shift colors here from red to green. It gets followed up with a traffic light, followed up with a call signal. You come right up to the 200, and you guys know the rules, right? When you are below the 200, your buys to puts. However, you could still scalp it up to the 200. So you definitely respect it. I don't care what GoldenEye is telling you at that point. You still have to respect it relative to the rules that we teach. The 200 EMA is the EMA to be respected. Okay. You listen to it like you like your life depends on it. Okay. You respect it. All right. Do not disrespect it. So what you can see here is the obvious rejection from the 200. And you could sort of kind of start seeing everything stalling here, right? So the indicators are also going to help you tell this story. And for those who are wondering, like, okay, well, it's what are we doing here now that we have this new indicator? All it's doing, guys, it's simplifying visually where the trend is going and then helping you to digest what these individual indicators are telling you. More importantly, it literally just gives you that extra degree of confidence. You got GoldenEye shift, then you got confluence, you got traffic light to call. It's literally telling you everything that you need to know about that trend without overcomplicating it with technical setups, without overcomplicating it with price structure, without doing any of that nonsense,
Mm-hmm.
right? And that is the beauty of it. That is the beauty of what we do here at Trade 1348. We simplify the trading, basically the trading experience, right? So that you guys are not sitting there scratching your head like, okay, what do I do? What do I do? I
It's
don't
so
know.
blatantly obvious on the chart. Will
Yeah,
non-masters eventually get this? No, this one will always be locked to masters.
this is masters only, and you have the master group to thank for that. I had the master group take a vote in the master only stream and asked, should this indicator be a general indicator? And the overwhelming answer was no.
Yeah.
Now, does that mean that our general education doesn't provide value? Hell no. It provides a shit ton of value. But what it also does is forces you to submit to the system before you go ahead and say, okay, well, I'm going to get the goodies.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you haven't submitted to the system, then none of this matters.
Mm-hmm.
And if you haven't submitted to the system, you don't deserve to print. It's, I'm sorry. I'm being bold. I'm being blatant. Maybe even vulgar. But if you are not submitting to the system, you don't deserve to print. You
You
don't
haven't put in the
deserve.
time. You haven't put in the work.
Yeah,
You have to understand the basics in order for this stuff to make sense.
yeah. Everybody else on YouTube, they're posting 2,000. I made $2,500 in 15 minutes. Listen, let me be clear. I'm making 30, 40,000, $50,000 a day. Okay. But, not to overwhelm you guys. I live in a world of percentages, right? And so if you're not swayed by those percentages, just know those are what the dollar amounts are. And I use the system. And GoldenEye is essentially an evolution in the system in how I can visually interpret, price, momentum, bounces, that kind of thing. Right. You could use GoldenEye as a way to one, see that, oh crap, that's a level I need to respect. Oh crap, that's a very strong traffic light. Oh crap, I need to get out of my trade.
Mm-hmm.
Like all of those things. Okay. So we can look at this once again. You guys see it right there. This is Tesla. And you have that 200 EMA. Now, for those who went ahead and secured the bag here, what were you doing? You were like, oh, it came down to the 13. Oh, we still have GoldenEye. Let me go ahead and play the bounce right back up to the 200.
Mm-hmm.
You could literally scalp this to heart's content,
Mm-hmm.
right? Without becoming victim of the noise that the market introduces every single morning, because this is where retail gets their ass handed to them.
Mm-hmm.
You fall victim to the noise, right? And it's not just noise on the chart, it's noise from the media, it's noise from Reddit, it's noise from stock twits, it's noise from everybody, right? It's noise from your buddy, it's noise from the apes, it's noise from everything.
Mm-hmm.
But for those who are just like lurking and you're like, look, this is AMC. I'm,
Look at
I'm,
this
li-
shit.
this is AMC. Are you telling me this is not a tradable stock? VIX on this
Dude,
move,
that's ridiculous.
that's a damn near 44-cent move. With on an options contract, how much is that? What,
A
30,
shitload.
40%?
Oh my god, I just fucking did it again.
You,
Not
you
even
degenerate.
looking. I'm not even looking.
Right? And then you have, again, right here, you got the shift here, and then you're going call side, and you're rocking and rolling. Now, of course, guys, you still want to respect the 24. All the rules apply and everything that we're teaching you. So, yeah.
Dude,
You want to
like,
know what? You know
I
what? I'm
can't
up on
even
my SPX trade right now.
I don't even wanna know. But it's nasty. Dude, this is I think this is 3 trades today that I've taken with GoldenEye, and
Mhm.
they've all printed. Every single one.
All right. So I literally took the SPX trade on the 1 minute here, right?
Oh my
And I
god.
played it off of here, and I used the 5 for my trend, right? And I am currently up 73% on this trade alone, right? Now, this is a 10% allocation trade, STV. So where do you
That's
think my
epic.
port's at?
That's epic, dude.
My port, 10% allocation,
7%?
77.3%. I'm done for the day. Well, at least till my battery runs out.
That's that too. That's true too.
Right?
Dude,
Just secured Tesla calls and port now up 6.60. Ooh,
the guy
6.6%.
the guy says, "Excuse my language, but GoldenEye is fucking crazy." Guys, I told you guys on the live stream, I usually don't get that excited about stuff. I lost my fucking mind last night. I lost my mind. I was like, "Are you kidding me right now?" I've never like, I just even playing with it today, I've never felt more confident. Like, you guys just saw me right there. I'm not even really looking. Like, I know I have the chart up, but I just had orders set. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, cool. Boom, stop and profit, done.
It's literally telling you everything you need to know. Literally telling you everything you need to know.
Yeah.
Right. And it doesn't cause analysis paralysis because I could even simply just use my MACD RSI, right? And then we have confluence candles, we have GoldenEye, and then I'm gonna wait for a traffic light.
Do do you know what the
Very,
best
very
thing
simple.
about this too is?
What?
It helps you not blindly buy levels. It tells you to wait.
Yes.
That's nasty. Hold on, let me adjust my camera. It's getting bright out now.
Someone asked for Baba here. So here we go, Baba. So on the 5 minute, you could literally see how Baba was literally flat, right? And you would expect it. I mean, the first bit of evidence you get is essentially the MACD that's not really picking up, right? You're not really seeing much separation between the call and the put signal. But excuse me, the MACD and signal line. However, it is in an uptrend, and RSI is above its moving average and did break 50. And so this move here is where it's at, right? So you got GoldenEye, traffic light, you broke the 48. There's some room to run in this zone. If you were playing this market open, from market open, if you followed the trend down with confluence, you came on down, you hit that level at 92, 92, 92. You got the shift here, right? This shift right there should have told you, like, hey, all right, time for me to get out. And or let me go call side and play call side to the 24. All right. The 24 and the 200 are probably going to be the most important EMAs in our trading strategy,
Mhm,
aside from the 1348 crossover.
mhm.
Okay. You go ahead and you break the 24 once again, and you come on down. You could see how GoldenEye is literally like helping you, with their entries and exits. Most importantly, helping you to keep your risk ridiculously tight. Like,
Mhm.
yeah, you know, ridiculously tight.
Yeah. Joy-Con says, "I would love to learn to day trade." Lucky for you, bud, you can get your first month on platform where we educate you the entire time through the entire curriculum how to do it. You got that QR code, Gabe? We can pop that up there. Or there's a link floating around.
Yeah, well, I'm showing them the daily here with Baba.
Oh
Look how
yeah, dude.
filthy this
It's
is,
disgusting.
right? For those who have 9 to 5 jobs, we're gonna set you up to success because what you could essentially do with our charts is go on over to your alerts. You go to Baba or you go to GoldenEye. Basically, you pick your ticker, you pick your time frame, 4 hour daily. You click once per candle close, and then you hit create. What it's going to do then is send you alerts, whether it's on the 4 hour or the daily, of the shift. Once you get that alert, you then do your very brief analysis, and boom, you're in. Right.
Mhm.
So for 9 to 5ers and those who want to trade shares and shares alone, that's fine. This is going to help you with this. Okay, let's just play bull side here because I know a lot of people don't have margin accounts.
Mhm.
But if we go ahead and play bull side here, that is a 12, well, to the very top here, that is a $15 move from the point of alert. That's 20% almost, right? And then you go ahead and get out of your position because some of you don't have margin accounts, so you're not going to play short. And then you get the next alert, and then it brings you up another 17%. And this happens in essentially 5 trading days. There's over 7 days, but five trading days. Okay. Then we do it once again. You get the bounce off the 200. You see the change, right? Let's measure this out. That's 11.68%. So with Baba, if you played Baba exclusively to one side, you have outperformed the market and you have outperformed smart money. And guys, we're doing this without supply and demand zones, price structure. We're doing this without, all the fancy technicals, no GWs, no, bull flags,
None of
descending
that.
wedges, none of that. Is this legal? Is someone going to come for us? It's absolutely legal.
It's nasty, dude. Again, I told you guys before, I don't get like that excited about much. I fucking love this. This is so dirty. You guys don't know
Uh,
how good you have it.
yeah, yeah. Um, you guys are absolutely going to slay it. Okay. Chameleon, what's going on? All right, guys. So you guys know what to do. I'm going to go ahead and show that QR code one more time. I would like to see some scans there. Uh, Promo code Prince City. Get your first month for $5. Okay. And then let us educate you. Let us empower you. And then,
Mhm.
your own evolution will lead you into masterclass and you will find yourself with this indicator and you will find yourself printing like you've never printed before.
Mhm.
Okay. That is a promise, right? I really feel sorry for all those other so-called Discord communities because you, they're just fucking obsolete,
Mhm.
right? They're obsolete. Um, so
Imagine still trying to follow somebody else's trades that are drawing fancy pictures on charts. Fucking idiots.
yeah, 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 idiots, right? It's like Wyckoff, this, Wyckoff, like whack off, Wyckoff, whatever, man. Like, I really don't care about that, right?
No.
I just really care about having a very objective approach to trading. Now, the thing is, with a lot of trading strategies, there's that gray area of subjectivity where it's left to you to go ahead and interpret what the fuck you're looking at.
Mhm.
There's no interpretation going on here. It's very objective. Okay. So that's what we do here differently. And let's see. Pepe Sylvia, he's actually up 4.6% on the day. One and done. This GoldenEye kept me in past the level I'd normally be taking profit at. I love it. Spy on a daily looks so dirty with GoldenEye. Yes, you guys already know the deal. Let me show you what Spy looks like. Again, if you have a day job, let me put you in a position to fire your boss sooner rather than later.
Fucking GoldenEye. Look at this thing. Oh my god. You know what we should do, Gabe?
What should we do?
When we wanted to call it GoldenEye, we wanted to make it a candle. I think we should put gold on the change the color to have gold on the line just because it would make more sense to call it GoldenEye.
That is true.
We can
That
do
is
the
true.
we can do the thigh gap colors like the gold and blue.
Aries says, wait a minute, GoldenEye with levels could be insane because it is. And this is why you have to learn what we're teaching you. And then we're going to help you get to the next level.
Mhm.
Right? We only got 2 scans on this, guys. It's $5 for your first month. Right? Like we said yesterday, it's cheaper than a pack of condoms.
Mhm.
Right? Ain't like you're getting any this month. And you sure as hell won't be getting any for a long time if you're fucking broke.
That's true. Dude, it's just like we're just gonna sit here just printing just ridiculous money.
Hey,
I
why
saw that.
not?
I saw some of them take the GoldenEye move down on SPY at open. It was ridiculous. I was using it to help me stay into those puts that I had. So I was just like, all right, well, I'm just gonna keep holding them.
All right. So Wayne, we're not technical support. If you can't get it to work, go back into the Discord and ask someone to help you.
Yep.
We're not doing that here. Let's see. I tried 1348 before. Your new charge and indicators may be worth another look. Well, if you're gonna give us a second run, I'm gonna tell you what else you're gonna do. You're gonna listen to the rules. We're not messing around here. All right. We're not messing around.
Even with everything that we've taught, you guys can have success. Everything. We've seen it. We have 19-year-olds making over $100,000 in a month.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, we got kids turning $6,000 into 25,000. You know, it's it's just there, man. So as long as you submit yourself to the system, we're not going to steer you in the wrong direction. Okay.
David, there's a link floating around. Just hop in, just go to platform, scan the QR code, use the link, use code Print City, and you can come back in for your first month for $5.
Also, let's go ahead and let me just type this in. I'll pin this to the top of the comments as well. Yeah. So that's where you want to go. We're going to pin this. Message pinned. Street1348.com. Promo code Print City. All right. That's it. Christopher Aurelio wants to go from lifetime to master. Man, come on over.
Yeah, we talked about this earlier, Christopher. Just reach out to Diana and she'll help you transfer over.
There you go. That's all you need to do. All right. So let's you guys give us a ticker. Give us a ticker. Come on. Challenge us. Challenge us. Come on. Let's do it. Give me a ticker.
We need tickers.
Give me a ticker.
Dude, there's another one to the downside on SPY that just printed.
Oh, man. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at AMD. Okay. So we're going to look at AMD on the 5-minute. All right.
Look at that.
Look at this. Okay.
So you're still using the same tools that they're in the same strategy that we teach you. Scale out at the 13. All right. That's what I'm doing with ES. Scaling out, stops to break even, let it ride.
We're biased to puts because we're below the 200. So if you scalped it to the 13, congratulations. Your indicators are telling you, your MACD and signal line are just like, hey, bro, like, I don't know what's happening. Right. And then you got RSI coming right back down to its moving average. This is the reason why we teach you this in the general education. It's, you know, these are the indicators you're going to use to help you make these decisions. And then, of course, we're going to use EMAs as levels, right? Now, what do we see here? Well, let's see. This is literally a level right there. That's a level. And then it got rejected. And that could be a level. Is there a level previous to it? No. So you could literally just go ahead and say that 13 is your level.
So I do
it. This is what you can do too. If we go ahead and apply trade designs, right? So you go ahead right there, right? Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's close up our risk, right? So you had your entry, you had your risk. There's a 2.75 risk to reward here on entry. So you have this level identified. You drew your trade design. There's a 2.75. Anything of 1.5 or better, you're good. So if you're at 2.75 and you actually reached your target, you're being greedy now if you think it's going to, you know, move some more. Okay. So let's see. New question, but realistically, how much should someone have in order to get started?
Honestly, okay. 0. You could come in paper trade, learn the skills that you need to have success, and then figure out depositing money into your account later. There are many different routes to have success in this.
Yes. GoldenEye is lagging indicator. Look at the big move. And it's still green. All right. Look at the big move here.
It's still candle close, guys.
Still candle close.
So obviously you're going to see it flash in the middle. But you already nailed the move to the upside. If you are holding on for more than you deserve and you have not scaled out and have stops to break even, you're being greedy. You've already made the money on the trade.
And this is why we say you use the 1 minute for your entries. You live on a 5 for the trend. The 1 minute would have told you everything you needed to know.
Mm-hmm.
While you were and guys, that's actually my fault. While I was going ahead looking for levels, the 1 minute had already printed it for me. So therefore, I'm like, oh damn! All right, I get out here. It's no reason to fuck around and find out here.
GoldenEye is not lagging. Look at it on your chart.
It's not lagging.
It's candle close. It might go a little late on a candle close if it's a giant fuck you candle out of nowhere, but everything would. It's gonna get. Look at where the entries are.
Yeah.
Stop
So
loss versus capital, exactly.
These levels that are updated dynamically are part of our exclusive charts. So this is what you're going to find, right? So you're going to get these charts along with just an incredible tool set of indicators, right? That we're going to teach this out with. But you're going to get it at trade1348.com. Just make sure you have TradingView and make sure you have a pro plan with live data with New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and ARCA. When you have that live data, you then jump on in. We guide you to platform, connect your TradingView account to our platform. You then have access to these charts. Okay.
You are good to go.
Yes, you're very much good to go. Okay.
Yeah, everything's slipping here. SPY just is knifing today. There was like a lot of weird news about like banking downgrades and other stuff. Like this thing is not having fun. That's why, like, when I was talking with you guys yesterday on the streams, I was like, I don't really like any swings this week. Why? This. Yeah. We knew this was coming. That's why you guys don't have a list. Because it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. All right. Tamir, what's going on? Right, QR code right there. Let's go back to the chart right here. And so guys, this is AMD on the 1 minute. All right, you scalp it out. You can definitely scalp it. It can definitely set you up for the 5 minute. Okay. This is AMD. Did we have a trade design for AMD to the upside? We did, right? You could have created that trade. Well, this is the trade design.
Yeah, you had it up to
executed. Yeah, should have executed that trade right there on that trade design. Let's go ahead and look at what the broader markets are doing.
It's making new lows. SPY's just coming to new lows here. It just bounced off after it flashed, but it's making new lows.
Yes. Oh my God. SPY's down 1.17%.
It's a lot.
That's a lot. So I do expect the correction. It is only 11 o'clock. And guys, you're going to start seeing corrections happen 11:30, 12 o'clock. If you don't see it by that time, it's probably not going to happen.
Yeah. Or like it's that last minute push in the day at like 3:15, which we're not going to trade anyway. No. Overall port is up 9%. Jesus. Let's see that. What are your ports up today, team? Let's do that. Little roll call on the gains today. Send them in the live chat. Let's see them.
Oh, we want to see those. Absolutely.
Algo's up 9. I know Pepe was up like 4.5.
My God. That's wild. That's wild.
Holden's up 8.42.
8.42, 1.5 of 3.5. Oh my God. Haven't had a chance.
3.5 with GoldenEye. Out of boy Cody. 1.5, solid.
Jeez. 1.5 is solid. You guys know the type of damage that 1.5 can do for you?
A lot.
All right.
In a good way.
In a good way. In a very, very, very good way. We'll go and let's take a look at this here. I'm gonna expand it so you guys can see here. Right. But if you had $1,000 and you put yourself at 0.5% compounded, you're 6 years, you've made $1 million. Right. That's an insane return on investment at 0.5% daily compounded. Now, some of you have a goal of 1.5%, and some of you are actually well on pace to hit your $1 million in 464 trading days. That's basically a little shy of 2 trading years. Right. It's not impossible. You have to be able to curb your emotions, not be greedy. If someone had an 8.5% day, and
Record Ralph's up 13% on his large port, small port's up 22%. You guys are killing it.
Ben Currington, the P&L by next year should be above 200K. That is sick, Ben. Good job. Right. But you show the power of compounding. Now, this is not going to happen every day. 8.5, no way in hell.
No.
However, Just the power of compounding, guys. It's 8.5 gets you 1,000 to 1,000,000 in 85 trading days. So that's going to be about 4 months, right? But let's stick to the tried and true 1%. Not very hard to do when you're trading options. So you hit your goal in about 2.5 years. Holy shit! Algos is 3 to 5% today.
Jesus. Shout out to
Right.
masterclass, guys. You guys are killing it.
So at Algo's pace, $1,000 with his average of 4 to 5%, 3 to 5. Let's just say 4. Let's just say 3. Algo, because yeah, you never know, right?
Less than a year.
Less than a year. The reason why I say 3%, hot potatoes, hot potato VIX. The reason why I say 3% is because sometimes we even brag about how big we are and we just don't really know. We say like, it's about 7 inches. It's really 4.3.
It's too early for this.
Yeah, it's the wide angle lens, bro. It's the wide angle lens.
It's the fish eye.
Waiting on that AMD notification. Moto, what's up, man? How you doing?
Dude, AMD is having no fun. These, if you look at the longer time frame charts, these are not looking good on much.
No. I'll be graduating a millionaire after the end of the next year when I'm done with my master's degree. Thank you guys, big time. Wow.
Shout out to you, Ben Currington. Yeah, it's all of you guys can do this that are sitting in the live chat here. Again, it's are you guys going to be the next one?
All right, let's see. I got 50% on whole account yellow puts from yesterday, but not.
He's just trolling. He's just trolling.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, Valley of Death. What you doing, man? Stop trolling, bro. Yeah.
Let's see.
Jesus. 50%? That is highly irresponsible.
He's kidding.
I hope so.
He's kidding.
I hope so.
Spy peeking a little. Let's see what it wants to do. This market's been fun today. It's like it's just like GoldenEye is gonna just go.
All right. Now we're looking at Spy into 1 minute, right? So if you were like, how low can she go? Literally, GoldenEye is telling you, like, okay, we've made new market lows. Now we have a shift, but we also have confluence, and we got a big boom candle, and we got RSI breaking his moving average, and then we have MACD making that potential crossover here. So you literally have confluence through all the indicators, right? So where's the strategy? Well, we're going to go ahead and say, okay, to the 24, I'm going to establish, maybe some profit taking here at the 24, and then re-enter on the break up the 24, or you can risk it for the biscuit. Hey, no problem with that. You're on the one. You're on the one. Just respect that, right? Essentially, what you want to see is that same type of indication on the 5 minute. So you want to see the 5 minute also give you that green. Okay. So that's where we're at with this. But to be down 1.16% with the SPY, I mean, that's just awfully aggressive. That is awfully aggressive. All right. So Tesla update. So Tesla CFO resigned. 13 years. Yeah, he resigned. Dude, you know what? What was he? He had like $50 million worth of stocks.
I would almost think that that's low. After 13 years of Tesla getting paid out in stock, they were jipping him on that one.
Yeah,
he's a CFO and he only has 50 mil? Oh, I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed. Look at Tesla over the last, how many years?
Yeah.
Look at it on the monthly. What's it done at the 13 years ago? It was at fucking what? Dude, in 2014, it was at $11. I'd be pissed.
Oh man. You rather be paid with options or with shares?
That's what it is. So that's probably what it has. They're just vesting. But at the same time, it's like 50 million. It's like, okay, so let's say you're taking even 100K a year in stock. That's like is an option. It's going to vest over time. 13 years. That's 1.3 million. Tesla's done more than that. Tesla, that's going to get you above 50.
Yeah, now that I think about it, yeah. All right, someone go ahead and jump on his Twitter. Be like, bring your 50
You're
mil
like,
to
bro, they fuck you.
1348. Yeah, he's probably going to join Lucid next.
He's gonna what?
He's probably going to sign with Lucid.
Oh, fuck that company, bro. I hate Lucid.
Oh man,
I hate that thing. There's
he's
like
a
going to be a new
CFO.
saying: "Don't bet against the Saudis."
Oh man. All right, guys. There you go. QR code. I want to see some more scans. Go ahead and you guys deserve an opportunity to take a chance on yourself.
After you're in with us for a month, you guys are going to be like, "This is what you were talking about the entire time." It's like, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So let's look at Tesla. You wanted the Tesla update. So, I mean, you had scalping opportunities here. But let's look at the 5. There you go. So this is Tesla on the 5, right? It got you out of this fake out, came down here, and then transition call, traffic light call, brings you all the way up past 200, sets highs here, then comes right back down. That's 5 minute. This is welcome to Six Flags, boys and girls.
Welcome to the party, man. This is going to be a fun time.
Oh yeah, absolutely a fun time. And John Casciola, Grandmaster, only after 10 days. He was made a believer only after 10 days. Yeah, made a believer only after 10 days. STV, you know, let's really talk about something. Let's talk about your evolution as a trader. Like everybody pretty much knows my story. I'm an old man. I'm set in my own ways. I've been doing this for over
I
a
can tell you
decade.
what I used to do.
All right. So, STV before 1348, STV now.
So what I used to do was I used to just wait around and trade news or earnings, which the risk to reward is solid, but it's not a way that you want to trade for a long time. So I started with like a $2,000 account and I ran it up to like 12, 13,000. And I was like, I'm fucking nasty at this. I'm the best. And then it wasn't a quick blow up. It was a slow bleed of just tick, down. Then I started to trade some slightly other things. I was trying to figure out what I needed to do and all that stuff. Then when we started playing with 1348, when Gabe showed it to me, I was like, oh, I like this. And that's kind of when everything switched. So the risk management elements, the psychological elements of everything, it all started to change because that's really what it is at its core. Once you have a repeatable and consistent back-tested strategy, you're going to win because you know exactly what you're expecting to happen over time. Every single time. My brain is very analytical with like math. I need to know exactly what I'm risking on a trade, the exact setup that I'm looking for, and why I'm taking it. I was even when I was learning, I was never one of those people that was like, I'm going to go follow somebody else's trades because logically speaking, it doesn't make any sense. Like I need to know exactly why I'm entering, what I'm going to do while I'm in it, and where I would exit and why. It's the question that you asked yesterday, Gabe. It's the why question. And that's what 1348 gives you. It answers the question of why. Why are you entering this trade? Why are you exiting here? Why are you going to be looking for these types of portfolio allocations? It answers everything.
Definitely answers everything. And to bring this up and STV, like, yeah, well, now you live in my world, right? So let's say news and let's say earnings, right? Now that becomes binary. It is subjective,
Exactly.
right?
It's
Because
binary.
you might have an earnings beat, but forward guidance is shit. So, how is the market going to react to this? Are they going to pump it now, take their money now, or is it just going to die, right?
Right.
And 1348 is more of like, don't know, don't care. Play the chart.
Exactly.
Don't know, don't care. Right?
Just follow the chart.
Yeah.
You have to find something that's objective. This is objective.
Very.
And then we continue to add on top of it with you guys.
Yes. Yes. Oh, we set out to change the game, and we are. All right.
Mhm.
How would you have played this Tesla switch on GoldenEye? All right, cool. Let's do that. All right, Moto. This is how I would have done it. And this, again, just because, oh, bless you, brother.
Oh.
Bless you. Just because you have GoldenEye doesn't mean you go ahead and you fuck around and find out, right? We still do the tried and true trade design. So we have that shift here. We could go ahead and say, all right, let's risk day highs. And then we can literally pick, yeah, well, the 200, that would be 0.88, probably not worth it, right? So you're like, okay, I could play to the 13. I could play to the 24, which most of you probably would, right? Now let's bring this trade design here. Because we talk about how price action likes to bounce off the 24 and loves to bounce off the 200. The 24 is an exit cheat code, right?
Mhm.
And all GoldenEye is going to do is confirm that for you. Because now that you're going to get this bounce off the 5, excuse me, off the 24, you're going to see GoldenEye go ahead and confirm that. Now, if you needed something, I guess, really to just really indicate where your entry was, you could see that you drew a level here. So this could have been your entry. So therefore, your risk would have been tighter. Again, we can use the 1 minute for our entries and live on the 5.
Mhm.
It really, really that simple. Okay. And then we could go ahead and say, all right, we're going to play it down to the 200 because this is exactly where it reversed. Look at this STV right here on the 1 minute.
Mhm.
You had your risk, you drew it out,
Look
you
at
had your trade design.
look
Boom.
at that's a perfect one too. Look at SPY on the 3 minute right now.
Okay. Spy on a 3. Uh,
On the
y-
1, it's great, but on the 3, it's a great too. So, yeah, what are your settings? Because mine is on 9. I like 9.
I do 16. For me, it just moves it out because I'm living on the 1.
Okay, yeah, so I'm on 9. If you switched it to 9, you would like, so the candle is that the 3 minute?
Yeah, I'm gonna switch mines to 9 right now, so I could see what you're seeing, right? So 9 on the 3 minute. So basically, when you have a larger time frame, you can get away with 9 because the
Mhm,
time frame is what's going to smooth things out.
mhm.
But when you're on the 1 minute, you want to smooth it out
Right.
with your
Ex
length. Okay.
exactly.
Right. So it's an inverse relationship,
Mhm. So
right?
I just drilled this. Do you know how much effort this took?
Of course you just drilled this. Look at this. This is
I'm still in
disgusting.
it. I've scaled out. I don't know if you guys heard the order filled sound, but, like, I'm just riding it now.
This is disgusting.
Yeah.
So I don't live on a 3.
I
And
like the 3. It's like the happy medium between, like, the 5 and the 1. That's
you know
how
what
I
I
view
mean?
it. So you can still get the early entries, but you're not gonna get faked out as much as on the 1.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
And look at that. Like, that's I mean, I can tell you how many points it is right now. It's like
And you have the 24 here on the 1. Excuse me, the 3.
yeah.
Right? Rules,
Uh-huh.
right? So now we're talking about like, do we have the momentum to break through? So there's a couple of things that are happening here. Again, you have the moving average, RSI breaking above its moving average and making its way and making that attempt to break above 50. This would be bullish signal here. You also
Mhm.
got an MACD crossover potentially happening as well.
Mhm.
So you have confluence here as well. And this is a beautiful thing because what's going to end up happening is that if we can build that momentum and break through this level, which is the 24, then what's going to follow is a traffic light. Then what's going to follow, if you have continued momentum, is a 1348 cross, which is going to give you the call, right? And you could literally just have faith in this. Now,
Mhm.
does this mean you're just going to go ahead and hold blindly? No, you had that 24 there. This is something that we teach guys all the time, right?
Mhm.
Respect the 24 and respect the 200. 24 was an exit. You made money. This thing
Yeah.
put you in. You got in here faster than a 50-cent hooker would spread her legs, man.
Yeah. So I just got stopped in profit there. Like, I wasn't gonna take it at the 24 on the break, but I moved to stop way up to basically where the 13 was.
There you
Okay,
go.
cool. Comes test, I'm out. I don't really care. I'm just scalping the shit out of it today.
All right. So now when you break the 24, you have that option to re-enter because you're still in confluence.
Exactly.
Move the ball. Move the ball. Now I know 50-cent hooker is kind of cheap.
That is kinda cheap.
Yeah.
I'd probably stay away from that.
Yeah.
So here she comes.
There she goes.
So that's fine. I don't need to hit the majority of every move, guys. I don't care. I don't care. I just nailed it for like 4 points. Whatever. Like,
Oh man. You know, STV, you're actually making me a fan of the 3. I think it's like that perfect balance, especially with the GoldenEye here. I really like it.
yeah, the GoldenEye with 9 on the 3. That's what I've been doing today.
Okay. Okay. So 3 is a multiplier of 1, 3, 9. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So this is going to be very reactive on the 1.
Yeah, so I don't use it on the 1. I've
Yeah.
stayed away from the 1 minute a lot recently. What I'll use the 1 minute for is levels. So like if we knife really quick, I'll look at the 200. If it doesn't respect there, you guys see me do this on the streams a lot, where if it doesn't respect a level, I'll just move time frames. So if it breaks the 200 on the 1, look at the 3. If it breaks the 3-minute 200, look at the 5.
Exactly. But as you guys can see on the 1, you saw how like I smoothed out that chop. I want you guys to see that once again, right? So we go to settings, we go from 9 to 16. So here we are at 9. And you see how it just really, really gets choppy, right? This is perfect for fast fingers and scalpers. Fast fingers and scalpers. Those who are still trading on their phone and putting their orders on their phone, probably not. This is way too fast for you. You're eventually going to fuck it up and fat finger something.
Yeah,
So,
those of you guys that have started dipping your toe into futures, whether it's prop firms, paper accounts, it's to a click of a button. In out.
Yeah. So you guys see that there? Now we smooth out the 1. So this is why I like the 16 on the 1. However, on the 3, you are the 9. Yes. Yes.
I also have not lost today. I have not had a losing trade with GoldenEye.
Yes, futures are perfect with this.
Yeah. It's just like if you want to be quick and you just want to click a button to get out, I mean, yeah, you can do it with options if you're trading on a desktop, but you're market ordering.
Yes.
You just click X and it sells it, but it's a market order.
So you got the 24 and you have a level here, right? But you have all indications, right? Just giving you faith in this move. Now let's go to the 5 minute and see how smooth. Okay, so this is really okay. I could do this on the 5. This is pretty smooth on the 5. With the 9. Okay. So guys, you saw it here first. I mean, the 9 is perfect for larger time frames other than the 1 minute. The 1 minute, you want to switch that to 16. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we're having fun here because this is printing. This is printing. What? Let's do this. You get the shift here. Yeah, it's the SPY on a 5 minute. And it hasn't yet reached the 24. But as it stands right now, that's a 74-cent move on the SPY. That's money.
That's huge.
On the SPY? That's huge money. Holy hell. That's money. What chart is that? This is the SPY on a 5.
What broker for futures using TradingView for execution? I think they all do it. Or just Google it. I don't know off the top of my head. I don't know which ones allow you to do it. Most of them do.
Yes. Yes. I'm liking this. Okay. Someone had brought up Tesla. You guys want to look at Tesla once again, right? So
yeah, it's kind of teetering down. Ooh, shark.
Oh, emotional damage. All right. So, look at that trade design right there. I mean, it's filthy.
GoldenEye takes the stress out of Stressel. It does. And ES. I bet it's dirty on NQ.
Oh, absolutely. I'm very, 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 very sure.
SPX is going to be disgusting with it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I can't wait till the stream is over. You guys know how much I'm going to print today?
He's already up. He's already up fucking almost 10%. He's still going.
No. I'm still at 7.3. I'm 7.3.
That's close.
No, I'm going to keep going. I got battery, bro. I got 12% left.
Battery. There's this thing called a phone charger. You don't like sit at your computer or something and just plug it in?
Yeah. No, man. Right, trading's boring for me, so I gotta add some excitement.
I know, dude, it is getting boring. You're just like, all right, point and shoot, print money.
Yeah. If you want to know what GoldenEye is, watch the replay. Rewind. All right, QR code right up there for you guys. J1348. Come on. Seriously. Right now, $5. It is cheap. Jesus Christ. This is cheaper than what you will pay for a delivery fee on Uber Eats.
Well, I don't pay delivery fees, but
Okay,
I
listen,
pay him
dude.
$10 a month or whatever it is.
Okay, so you prove my
So
point
still,
even
it is
more.
cheaper. It's still cheaper.
Yeah, still cheaper. Actually, you know what? The AR guy is gonna have me go to Best Buy and get the wireless pad.
Yep.
You're absolutely right.
Dude, I'm like, I could just be done for the day now, or I could just print like a crazy person.
Why don't you just print like a crazy person?
I could do that too. The
Oh,
funniest thing about this is I'm going smaller size today than I usually would to test it, and I'm up more than I usually would be.
there you go. That deserves a QR code.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, Gabe, I found my new favorite burrito place last night. I tried another one.
Okay.
It's like not like normal burritos. They're like slightly like I would almost say like Tex-Mex. So like you're kind of like they're really good.
Does your toilet agree?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I would say so.
Good for you.
The other ones are rough. The other ones are rough on me.
All right, guys, we're looking at Tesla, trade design, traffic light, brings you down. Right, you got that 24, hesitated at the 24. Obviously, you have to respect the 24. You get to break the 24. You get a continuance. You got MECD looking like it's going to cross. RSI breaks below its moving average here and breaks below 50. And then you got a traffic light to the downside. This is GoldenEye. We simplify the trading process, right? As long as you know what you're looking for and you don't engage in analysis paralysis. And what do we mean by analysis paralysis? Where you're just sitting there and like just really overthinking the trade. You know, this is point and shoot, as trading should be. It's point and shoot. Okay. And we keep it simple, stupid, you know, the KISS method. So that's what we do, man. We keep it super simple. No, I wasn't kissing you, bro.
Clip it! Clip it! Clip it! That was just funny. I didn't think you were. It was just funny.
Oh god, I hope that didn't turn you on.
No, of course it didn't. I just thought it was funny.
Let's see. So glad I divorced before I found 1348. Damn. Ooh.
I think there might be some GoldenEye videos coming in your guys' future too.
Oh my god. Wedding Loser is a crazy person. That's why we have forbidden you from calling us.
Yeah, we can't do that. The call lines are shut down.
Because of you.
Yes.
We love you, bro.
Oh,
We love you, bro.
What are the likes at over there, Gabe? Are they slacking?
Hey, you know what? I'm looking at my platform here at Restream. I'm not actually looking at YouTube.
Dude.
I don't know how many likes we got.
Don't be a slacker, team. Don't
All
be
right.
doing that.
Come on, man. And also, we need more scans here, man. It's just $5. What you waiting for? Like, seriously, what you waiting for?
Or don't, and continue to lose money in the market. Have fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Seriously. I think we're cheaper than Bud Light still.
We don't buy Bud Light. It's actually kind of comical. Like when you go into okay, never mind.
Oh, please, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it.
When I see people go into liquor stores now, like you actually hear them say like oh, you want to get some Bud Light? People are like, no, and like nobody buys it.
Yeah, nobody buys it. Yeah, that's Bud Light is buy one get one free. Import beer only. Yeah, I like personally. If I'm gonna drink beer, I'm gonna drink like a Modelo, or I'm probably gonna go for like a milk stout. Have you ever had like
I'm not a beer guy.
You'd
There's a place
probably
in
like a milk stout, bro. The
I just
alcohol
don't
by
like
volume is
I view it like this. If I'm gonna drink something, it's in tiers. So if I have the option to get a seltzer, a tequila, or something else, I'm always gonna do that. But there is this one place in Boston that does dollar beers. And I've gone there before and not had any. And like I'm over there paying like $10, $12 for a drink, and everybody's getting dollar beers. And I feel not okay about that. Cause I'm like, help me out. What are we doing here?
yeah.
I think it's just an inferior drink. I would always rather just have tequila ice.
Let's see. Oatmeal stout, like eating a cookie. Look at this. Look at this.
What's that on?
This is Nvidia on a 5-minute. So you
It
literally
stops
got,
stops under the low, drilled it.
yeah. So you got GoldenEye, you got Confluence, and then you had a traffic light flash here. You saw what happened here at the 200. Rejected. That's basically what happened.
Guys, those of you guys that aren't in master yet, reach out to Diana or head over to your subscriptions area. Let it fly. You guys are gonna see it after a week and be like, oh shit.
To the top of that wick, STV, that was a $4.23 move.
That's dirty.
That's dirty as hell. That's dirty as hell. Holy shit. And it keeps going. Oh man. Look at that aggressive move. Spy moving. Let's check out Spy. And guys, please, again, this is a public stream. So for the general audience, go ahead and shout out some tickers, man. We'll make you some believers.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Let us know the ticker you're in, the play you're in. Let us help you out.
Kind of wish I held that ES now. It's all right though.
Is Master the same as OG Lifetime? No.
Well, sort of. They're in Master.
Are they in Master? Yeah, they are in Master.
Yeah, they should be.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Alzheimer's.
You're not that old.
Dude, I'll be 42 in 6 weeks, 7 weeks.
Oh, yeah. We got to do something fun for your birthday.
Sure as hell ain't getting passed out with you.
Hey.
We're not doing that.
We have fun.
Yes, we do, man, but I'm trying to make it a 43.
It's one time. It's fine.
No, the thing is...
It was your fault, too. It wasn't my fault. I was just like, okay, I'm ready.
No. Over the time that I have met you,
yeah,
you've gotten really better at getting fucked up.
Oh, I've always been like that.
See, white boy problems. All right.
It's a talent.
Spastokinetic turned 40 this past week. Happy birthday.
There you go, man. Happy birthday.
The existential crisis wasn't so bad. What?
Vincent says, guys, thank you for GoldenEye. My question is, do we stay on the 5 minute till the color change? Are we exiting up to 1 minute or wait until the 5? There's multiple different ways to use it. So for me, here's what I do. I have the settings at 9. I use the 3 minute, and I'm looking to scale out at 13s, very similar to how I trade it with thigh gap. And then I move stops around to break even. I could, if I really, holy Nvidia, I could, if I wanted to, just kind of leave it there and wait for the color change after the scale out. But that's how I use it. Gabe's going to use it slightly differently than I do probably, but it's all under the same umbrella.
Yeah. Holy Nvidia. Exactly.
I saw that go nuts out of the corner of my eye. I'm like, what the fuck is this doing?
It's printing.
Oh, there's news on it. What is it? Because AMD was going too.
A new chip, new AI chip, I'm sure.
New chip to be in production Q2 24. Yeah.
Data center chip?
I don't know the details. Let me look.
I'm assuming data center chip.
It is the Grace Hopper Super Chip, ground up for the giant scale AI and HPC applications.
AI. That's it. That's everything. AI. You just say AI and things just pump, dude.
Yeah. Tesla's still slipping. It's kind of following the SPY a little bit there.
They want a full screen of the chart. Vix, they said you're cute.
That's fine. I'll just go hang out with your wives.
All right, so this is the full screen of the chart. Let's see. Nettie is only 1 year away. I also saw that Boricua. She's in the chat, right? 51. Girl, you killing it at 51. Must be that garbage ass New York water you're drinking, keeping you young and vibrant.
Moda doesn't understand why Palantir dropped. Palantir was up like 140% since their last earnings. If you watch the video, I explained this, but like unless they, and I've been saying this for a while, unless they knocked it out of the park with a wild beat, they were most likely going to come down. Like you can't have a stock go up 140% and then have earnings not do something similar. So obviously it makes sense for them to sell off a little bit, but the buyback AIP, I told you guys about AIP, dude. I fucking told you in that video last week. And then what happened? Boom, AIP conference, buyback. I wonder why they're doing that with the potential for 300 new customers. Why are they offering a buyback when they're up 140% since last earnings if they don't think that they're going to go up way more? Why? What could be the cause of that?
Interesting. So, Nettie, happy birthdays. You turned 51 yesterday. So, ladies, can you give me the secret sauce on this? So, when you enter like your 40s and your 50s, are you still as horny as you were in your 30s? Because I know that when you're in your 30s, it's like you're going batshit crazy. Like yeah. I finally understand why they all wear like the spandex pants. You know, it's like so tight, so while they're walking, it's creating the friction. Tell me I'm lying.
Jesus.
Much worse. Oh. I get it. It's worse because the men in your age category they don't work anymore.
They're tired. They need TRT. Oh, that's what. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, let's get back to the chart here. See, we have fun in these streams. Come on, you got to have fun.
We do have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Gabe, I think I'm going to do a wrangle this weekend.
Oh, Jesus.
It's going to be bad.
TRT for the win, always. Hell yeah, TRT. What? I'm not TRT. You fucking hide your donuts. I'm sucking the shit out of that hole.
Okay.
Lord. But Equal can still pull him. You get him, girl. All right. So let's look at another ticker.
Where's whoa, TLT up 1.35%. That's interesting.
TLT not really doing anything.
No, it's not. Don't day trade it. Like, guys, I know you guys get cracked out when I say those three letters, but relax. It's not time. I'll let you know when it's time.
Hey, Google. Let's check out Google.
Google on the 5? Oh, I bet. Oh, my Lord. I'm going to add. Hold on. GoldenEye. Oh, my God, dude. Look at it on the. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at how Google's traded today. You're top and bottom ticking the entire day.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
You guys are going to get spoiled here. All right, let me throw that ticker. Let me throw the QR code back up there for you guys because you're literally just blowing a chance of a lifetime right now. So there goes the QR code right there. Go and scan it. $5. Come on. Cootie Love says that's cheating. Yes, it is cheating. Just don't get caught. Randy, I thought we weren't to buy see, you don't. Okay, let me explain this. All right, let's do this. So, Randy, this is where having full mastery of what we teach, right? So let's say you get, right? Let's say you get that shift there. You're going to go ahead and draw your risk to reward, right? So your risk to reward on that shift right here is really, really tight, right? So you can play it conservatively and say the 24 right there, right? But you're literally risking day lows here. So it gives you a 2.95 risk to reward profile here. Okay. And you could also play it here. And that's a level break, right? That's a 1.6, right? You have opportunity. This is why we teach how to design trades in masterclass, because once you understand how to design the trade and fully understand how to design the trade, this is where everything just like shows itself. Like this is where Jesus says, I'm here. Give me a beard. Someone meme me. Make me Jesus. I'm smart.
They've done it before. I've seen it.
I know they have. Don't want to
It's
challenge
guys.
their
The main thing that you guys
creativity.
gotta realize is that when you guys come in for your first month for $5, which at this point I don't know what you're doing, not taking advantage of that because those offers are going away very soon. But when you think about the core of everything, you guys all have access to thigh gap now. Traffic lights are absolutely insane. When you have the grasp of that, you can be insanely successful. When you're ready to take it further and step up and play with the big boys, master time. And that's where we really go nuts.
Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and answer someone's question here. Let's get back to the display. So this is basically a long, short risk to reward tool. Okay. And the way you get this here, I've made it my favorites. Those are my favorite indicators, but we expand on this and you should be able to see it somewhere here, the long, short position. So that's what you're seeing right there. That's the long short position. All right. So, and then you pick your long short, you put it on the chart, you measure it out, risk to reward, done. All right. So let's see. Oh boy, STB, what else should we look at? We are approaching 12 o'clock.
Yeah, right now, I'm honestly saying I'm probably not touching much until the afternoon. The reason being is that when you see the market knife, consolidate, and just flicker around here, and you can kind of see it doing it now as we get into the lunch hour, volume starting to come down a little bit too. Just for me, this is how I like to trade. I trade in the morning and I trade in the afternoon. I don't really do a whole lot in the middle of the day. So this is right around the time where I would say, all right, even if it does make a move, I don't really care because it's not necessarily going to be a high probability thing to do every day. So the 10:30, this is why we came on early with you guys, so we could catch these little reversal moves with you. That's, I mean, at this point, I would probably say if you're up, take the money and run. But again, you can do what you like.
All right.
Because the big moves are most likely going to happen after 1:30, 2 o'clock.
Yes. But what I also like here is we could also show proof of concept here and why we talk about the 24 guys, right? So it's we don't say anything just to say things, right? You had that SPY move, it came right up to the 24 and it became a level and it rejected from it.
And 24. You GoldenEyed it right into it. There was GoldenEye right going into it off those rejections. So you could have hit that one too. I was thinking about it, but in my mind, I said, okay, well, we're getting into this little choppy hour or hour and a half here. I don't really need to do it.
Yeah, that was a 87-cent move right there. SPY on a 5-minute. That's not bad. Okay. So, and then of course you got, let's bring this, GoldenEye is in the front. So as you can see, GoldenEye went ahead and alerted right here and boom, it came down, right? So it's definitely putting you in a position to win.
Oh my God. Look at Nvidia. Oh man, GoldenEye nailed this, I bet, on the one.
Sorry for that sound effect. That hurt.
Wait, that was you doing that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a great sound. Oh my God, GoldenEye.
So this was on the one. GoldenEye here. You just okay.
Even if you're nice with it and get it on the second candle, like with the entry, if you missed it, how big is this move here? Five
Glad you
dollars and eighty
asked.
cents. What are you guys doing?
Dude,
Oh my god, it's still going.
$8.
$8.
Ouch.
Guys, when we say that we've created the best tools, the best education for you guys, we are not fucking around.
Oh, man. Oh, that was that was a $8. Ooh, that was a $8 swing. Jeez Louise.
We're gonna make believers out of you, but more importantly, we're gonna make you some money.
Yeah. Someone got wrecked. Yeah.
Someone did get
Ooh.
wrecked there.
Oh, man. Nutty top ticked Nvidia. Good stuff.
There you go.
See, we're here to help you make money, but we're also here to protect you from just crap like this.
You would almost say that we're their protection, right?
Are you going to use the condom analogy?
We're your
time,
condom,
man?
everybody.
Oh, Jesus. All right, boys and girls, he's talking about, he made the reference yesterday that we're like your condom. We're your protection. And
We protect you from nonsense.
I don't want you like just busting a nut on the back of my head. Like that's just a no. So
Why do you think they're gonna do it in the back, not the front?
come on, bro.
All right. Yeah, we protect you. That's the main thing. Like that's the thing that we provide you guys with the educational curriculum. That's the most important part.
Jeez Louise. Jeez
Headshot
Louise.
dead.
She's literally right. It's a headshot kill.
He's getting the Leon Edwards out here.
Jesus Christ, you fucking Deadpool my ass. That's what you just did. Lord. No, we don't want to do all that.
I'm not doing it. I'm not Gabe's protection. Gabe's not my protection. We are collectively your protection.
So they're doubling up.
Yeah, but no. That's a bad way to do it. They're gonna get analysis paralysis with that one. They're gonna be like, I don't know if I can do
that. Oh, you're back while you're sleeping. Then stick a paw to your back. It's called the Superman. Oh, okay. What?
Oh, don't be doing this because I know a bunch of those. Those are funny. We're not doing this right now. Dude, oh my God, the spy won again. Oh. It's like it's every fucking like 20 minutes. There's another GoldenEye. And it's just print.
Today we're double bagging it with the stream. Lord. Oh, man. Yeah, I almost forgot how fun these streams are.
They are fun. We have a good time.
Yeah, we have a good time. All right. Let's go back to full screen here. Let's look at what. Okay, guys, listen. This is your show. It's fully interactive. Give us some tickers.
Yeah.
Come on.
The Nvidia one already played out for you guys. That's like a $10 move now. Or no, it's not. It's like $8, $7. Still dirty.
Is GoldenEye alert a good idea? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you could do it on I mean, you could do it the way I do it with the 3-minute with the 9 setting, or you can do it the way Gabe's like to do it with the 16 on the 1. You can tighten it up on the 5 too. You can do. I mean, we'll have videos coming out. We actually might do an. I might get one out for you guys today. Maybe a little GoldenEye video.
Well, the way you're printing today, you might as well, right? Ralph said Nvidia just paid for my 1,000 pack of condoms from Costco. Jesus. Your hand's about to get really chafed up, huh, Ralph? Come on, don't play yourself. What's that smell? It's rubber.
It smells like an F1 race out here. Okay, so...
Oh, Lord.
We have too much fun. Hit the like button, guys. We're having fun, Printed.
Oh, man. Yeah, your favorite YouTuber, live streamer, whatever. Doesn't have fun like we do. Oh man, way too much fun. Let's see.
Get in there, Lewis.
Oh, STV. I
Yeah.
actually have something for you from the next time I see you.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, I have a gift for you.
Is it the same gift from a while ago?
No, it's something different. It's actually a clone.
A clone?
Yeah, I got you a cologne, man.
Oh, I thought you said a clone. A cologne. Ooh,
Yeah.
very nice.
Yes, I got you a cologne.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's called Burnt Hair.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be the Invictus one. Oh, is burnt hair the Elon one?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Remember the gift that I was supposed to send you? And then you told me not to send it?
Yeah, I don't want you sending me that shit.
I had it ready to go. Let's see. Tessie screwing around. Dude, that Nvidia move was epic.
No, that was filthy.
Oh.
That was filthy. Let's see.
You want an STV clone, Arvin? You can't do that. You can't clone me.
Arvid might be the man to do it, though.
He might be able to do it.
Yeah. Oh, this move was filthy. Come on, guys. More tickers, man. Come on. You guys
More
are just
tickers.
like, give us some tickers, man. We're not scared of nothing no more.
When were we?
Did you guys ever shave STV's ankles? No.
No, because they kept moving up.
Oh, Hot Potato's got a bottle of cocaine. It's a Ramstein perfume.
That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Don't
awesome.
like that would be bad in an airport, but
yeah, you're not supposed to be trading right now, but hey, we're just, for those who are not in the community and they need some help, we're offering free help.
mm-hmm.
Let's see. BKNG.
Booking expensive as hell, I bet. Isn't Booking like a $400 something stock? Or am I just talking out of my ass? Yeah, well, so yeah, 3190. No, we're not trading that. Terrible spreads here.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't like there are some tickers out there that are for swinging for me, and I will never day trade them. I can think of a few, like an Adobe or for me, Snow. There are a couple other ones that just like move strangely that I just don't like. This would be one of them, and I probably would never touch that. Oh my God, look at that.
That's INTC, boys and girls.
Oh my God. Hot potato.
That's INTC.
Oh, speaking of this, would you guys like to see a very funny piece of clothing?
Sure.
Okay, let me grab it. We don't have very much left on the stream. Let me grab it quick. It's funny.
Hey, let me make him bigger. And we're waiting. Spy on a daily has a traffic light to the downside, then you know what we're doing. Bondage clothing. STV is getting it from the hamper.
Nah, it's in my closet.
Oh.
Let's see if I can let you guys see this. This is hilarious. I think this is funny.
Harvard Blow Club. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And instead of here on the thing, it says cocaine. I have a t-shirt too.
Wow. So any Karen stop you in the middle of the street? Like,
no, I want to go to Harvard though and wear it.
Yeah. All right. You're going to become a meme, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what white privilege looks like. Jesus Christ. Oh man. All right. So we were looking at INTC here,
Yeah, that's
man,
dirty.
and this was just a dirty move. This was just a dirty
That's just
freaking
filthy,
move.
guys. Like, come on now.
All right. Let's get some more tickers here. Let's see. Len.
Is that from Ralph?
Yeah, Lennar.
What's it at? Throw it, Gabe. Can you throw it on the daily? Because we've been talking about that one. Yeah, you got your move. You got your quick move, but now it's back into my range. So if it goes flat from there, I'd look at it. But
if you look at it in 5 minute, very, very tradable here.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very tradable. Let's see. Palantir.
You gotta wait for the dust settle today with earnings yesterday. Again, go watch the video I posted yesterday. It just breaks down the earnings. It was a nice base hit earnings. Very nice base hit, but it made sense for the thing to sell off. When it dropped last night and came back up, I was surprised and then sold off today. That's fine. The thing's a monster, guys. You read through their data, you read through their financials. That I like it, but you guys can do your own research. Watch the videos. I just provide you guys the information from both sides too. I wish they didn't. I wish their worldwide commercial growth was outpacing their worldwide government growth, but it's not. Okay, well,
okay.
There's a lot of things, but go watch that. It's like a 16-minute video. Go pay. If you guys are interested in that company, that video's out there.
Tesla on the daily broke the 48. Let's go ahead and check that out, guys. QR code right there. We're going to show you what Tesla looks like on the daily.
That daily candle yesterday was wild.
All right. So, okay. You just broke the 48. This is not good.
No.
Not good. And STB. So let's just really add some context to this and a little bit of common sense here, right? So it doesn't matter how much Tesla would go ahead and discount their cars. The fact that basically yesterday's data, we saw that consumers are in a credit crunch right now. Right. And so lending isn't loose.
No.
And I'm not sure if Tesla's their own bank.
Well, they are lending. It's just like it's almost irresponsible how much debt there is in the consumers. So like if then things start to get worse, then they get hit harder.
Well, the lending standards are also like the threshold raised.
Oh yeah.
They're raised, right? So let's say you're below 700 on a credit score. That's somewhere around subprime territory, right? So you're not going to get the best rates on a used car or a new car, right?
No, the rates are going to be higher anyway.
Yeah, but a used car with 800 credit, dude, is like 11.9% right now.
That's insane.
That's stupid.
Yeah.
So if you have less than perfect credit, what are you looking at? 13.9, 14.9?
Probably. I don't know.
Wild.
Yeah.
Wild. Yeah. No. Well, this is actually a good thing for those who are just like waiting on the sidelines, to buy an auto, because we saw
this market's going to reward sidelines. If you're gonna if you're looking at anything that requires leverage to purchase and you have cash sitting on the sidelines, you're in a good spot.
Just got new with 6.8. Not bad.
Or if you locked in all these low rates in 2020, 2021, then you're fine. But I was having this conversation the other day about houses. I was like, well, yes, rates are higher, but the problem is that the people that are locked in, they don't really have to go anywhere. It's like, okay, you have your low rate, you're fine. It's all the people that were buying that then, like, if they screw themselves, then are going to have to sell, and the sell prices are going to be way lower.
Way lower, yes. Yes. Let's see. Okay. So let's Tesla here, 48 broke. That was also a level that we established at
Yeah,
some other point in time.
there's the 244 level, and then there's the 241. So,
Dude, I swear to God, we had an inside conversation about this.
yeah, I have it right here. It's it's like right around 240.25. We hit what yesterday? 242.61. So you see that level right there from previous, like that drop before the move to the highs. It's that level that I'm watching for.
Gotcha. You have a gap issue too. Interesting.
Yeah, there is that gap to what is that? 435? 235. Last time I got scared of a Tesla gap, though, I missed out on a shitload of money.
Oh yeah, remember it was somewhere like
It was when we did it. It was the same. It was like right around the same days with Nvidia. It wasn't there. I'll tell you what the day it was. It was
April.
It was April 26th into the 27th, around there. After the earnings.
Yeah, right there.
And then there was the 144 gap that I was scared of. 146. I was like, oh, I'll just ditch it. Moon mission.
Yeah. Oh man, wow. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what AMC's doing.
MOAS. It's MOASing. It's MOASing.
Okay. Wait. So AMC did their earnings? When's their earnings?
I think they released the numbers, and then they're doing the call after hours. Somebody pointed that out this morning, and I was like, good for them.
So they're profitable
for this quarter. Yeah.
What's their cash burn?
I don't know. I didn't look that deep into it. I just saw the headline numbers.
Cash burn, man. That's all that matters for AMC right now. It's cash burn, debt load, and do they have a way out?
You know what the way out is? Retail.
Delusion.
Have fun getting rugged.
Let's see. More molasses than moas. Still holding. Danny. Johnny. Let Johnny do his thing. I mean, well, he's definitely using 1348 to hedge his
which is fine.
Bet.
If you want to YOLO fucking money, I mean, it's up to you.
Added 435 million to the cash bucket.
I have to look at that.
Really?
That's interesting if they did that.
Okay. So diluted earnings per share was 1 cent. Okay. Well, I mean,
penny matters. That's what Palantir was. Penny.
All right. QR code there. Scan it. Use it. Trade1348.com. $5. Promo code Prince City. $5 your first month. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about reading the charts and sort of kind of like just muting out the noise. And there's no noise in what we do. We don't know. We don't care. We just play the charts and we keep it stupid simple. Let's see. There's a huge growth ratio between Palantir and AMC.
Difference. Well, yeah, obviously. It's very different. The roadmaps are very different, even though there is no roadmap for Palantir, but
yeah,
in terms of like just the derm.
Yes.
Let's see. Things are chilling around. It's in the slow hour.
Let's see. AMC liquidity down to 643 million. Okay. Well, don't know, don't care.
That's not good. Well, I'll go take a look at it after this, but I don't really give a shit.
All right. If one can't look at the charts and decipher all the info in a matter of a couple of seconds, they're not doing enough homework. 1348 makes it easy peasy. Yes. Could be bankrupt by 24-25. Reaper. I mean, that sounds like that's what you're hoping for. Your name is Reaper.
Yeah.
Okay. So Come on, guys. More tickers. We're going to do 2 more tickers, and then we're going to wrap things up.
Let's do it.
So make it count.
Make it count.
Also, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. It would really help out the channel. Thanks. STB told me that. Oh, man. So you're just cruising right now.
I'm not doing shit anymore until the afternoon. I'm not doing anything. I'll go eat lunch, make videos, get ready for our meetings. There's nothing else to really do. I mean, I could have taken these 2 other moves, but it's like at this point in the chop hour, no thanks. Para one day looks interesting.
Target and all right, let's do Target. I feel like I haven't brought up Target in a while.
What time on? Oh, Ralph, you want the daily, don't you? Daily or weekly? The weekly on Tiger looks interesting. It has to break 138.16 to the upside. It's got to get above that 13 up. On the daily, yeah, you're still not looking great here. They do have earnings coming up, so I'd probably let it go. If they report good earnings, which is possible, if you look at the comparison between Walmart and Target, you would think that Target, I don't know. I mean, you guys can have your own opinions, but you would think that Target might be targeting a different market than Walmart is, but Walmart is actually capitalizing more on the markets that you would think Target is. So Walmart actually has better financials in a greater way across the board than Target does. Because I was looking at that the other day. I was like, It's also, I don't even want to bring this up, but they're also kind of co-integrated, which is, it's like Coke, Pepsi. You go long one, short the other, because when, let's just say Target, Walmart, you were long Walmart, short Target. Walmart will go up more than Target will go up in a bullish market, and Target will go down more than Walmart will go down in a bearish market. That's essentially co-integration. But that doesn't really have much to do with anything. So,
all right. So let's check out Tilray. Shit stock.
Yeah.
Come on. We don't do that here. If you're playing stocks less than $5, you're just begging to lose your money.
The IV is gonna get you. Like you're gonna have problems.
Roblox. Chop City here in 5.
How does that look on the daily? Because I've nailed Roblox a few times, but yeah, no.
Look at this on a daily though.
Oh yeah, with GoldenEye. Oh, you drilled it.
Let me remove all these levels. Let's clean it up. Yeah, boy. Look at that. All right, down 17% or $8 in 13 trading days.
Mario 16.
Qs. All right. Netflix and then the Qs.
Turn it up with the SPY here. Netflix daily is interesting.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
I'm that one I'm looking at. But I don't really like much here, because the market, here's what the market's most likely going to do over the next couple weeks. It's going to have these wild aggressive moves in both directions, because there isn't necessarily the overwhelming thesis in one direction right now. So the market is going to be, in my opinion, very volatile, way up, way down. So like, where's the SPY right now? 446. Well, yesterday it ran to almost 451. Like you can see, oh, the buyers took over, but what happened the next day? They lost it all on some weird news coming out. So it's not necessarily at the point. And you look at the daily charts of SPY and QQQ, they're below, like they're crossing down on the daily, the 4 hour, like they're not looking like they want to turn back up yet. So it's a waiting game. If Netflix does it, cool. When's their earnings? Oh, isn't it like today? Oh no. But Netflix and Roku are interesting. I haven't really looked at Roku, but I would expect them to move similarly.
Yeah. On the daily, for those who have 9 to 5 jobs, look at this. I mean, it's just play shares and my God, it's as easy as like staying in the lines of a coloring book.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh my
Mm-hmm.
God. STB, were you able to stay in the lines when you colored when you were little?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man. Did you trace it first with like a black crayon and then color it inside? Or...
No, because it's already. Oh yeah, I think I probably did.
Yeah.
Probably did that.
I couldn't either. I couldn't. Oh man. Um. All right. So that was Netflix, and then is that all? We had one more
I think we hit
AMD.
we hit all of them. I think.
Uh. AMD.
I'll set some price alerts on Netflix, but where's Roku? No, Roku needs to chill. Netflix looks better than Roku. Roku reminds me of the Carvana move that you guys saw. Is that the daily? It looks interesting. It just needs it needs to like stop doing what it's doing. AMD is a perfect reflection of what I think the market's about to do. That. Gabe, I think your mic's off.
Ooh, there you
Oh wait, no,
go.
you're back. You're
Sorry.
back.
There you go. There you
There you
go.
go.
We're ranging here.
Yeah, that's what I think we're about to do. What's
Yeah.
GoldenEye? It's like Thigh Gap 2.0, but 10 times nastier.
The glue that had its own spoon was pretty good. Oh boy. Is that what I think he's saying?
I don't know.
What Latin American countries is Diana targeting? All the ones that export cocaine. Yeah, that's no, I'm kidding. Pretty much any Spanish-speaking country in South and Latin America. That would also include the Caribbean, so Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, etc. By the way, Puerto Rico shit. Sorry, had to say it. And I'm Puerto Rican. Very, very disappointed.
New York's a shithole.
Yeah, it feels that way too. Yeah, New York's a shithole. San Juan, Puerto Rico, shithole. Yeah, not my kind of place. Let's see. LA's a shithole.
Boston's great.
Yeah, Boston, Miami, pretty good. I prefer like Aventura for Lauderdale over Miami. Just saying. But you can still drive there as to be living for Lauderdale, drive to
I could.
Miami.
I could do that.
Yeah. I love Chicago. Now south of Cermak, shithole. Let's see. Everyone been to Dominican? I hope so. Any tips? Heading there in a couple of weeks. John. Okay, so John, quick question. You riding solo or you going with your wife or girlfriend? He says, hey, no Chicago slander. I mean, hey, it's just the truth. John, yeah. Well, just wear shades. That's all I gotta tell you. Just wear shades. He's going with the wife, man. He's gotta wear shades.
Like
Yeah.
he needs one of those VR things, but you can see through it.
Yeah, you gotta wear shades. Oh man. Cause oh man, yeah. Don't get caught slipping, dude. STV just set up a trade. Yeah, he sure did. No,
Mm-mm.
he didn't.
I'm
No?
not trading this time. This is dead zone time. I don't trade this.
It is 12 o'clock. That's on time. Yeah. Absolutely right. And
Nothing's really doing what I wanted to do. I'm just probably gonna come back. Actually, I can't even trade the afternoon today.
SPY. Yeah, SPY just broke the 24.
On the 5, yeah, it's above the 48 on the 3. But this is, I mean, I'm not touching any of this. You guys all made your money.
Yeah, this is probably going to be like a low volume move, and then it's really not that strong, and then you wonder why like it just tanks again. It's probably what's going to happen here, but it is above the 24. And you see that there? For the can we measure this? Dude, that's another 78-cent move.
Dude, it's nasty. Like, guys, again, hop in, get your GoldenEye, and join all the fun, man. This is nasty.
Oh man, what are they saying in the charts? Are they being degenerates in the charts? Let's see. He says, "Get a wife that doesn't mind looking with you." Okay. Okay, I guess that then problem solved. Problem solved.
Yeah.
Freaking degenerates. Oh man. All right, Wreck-It Ralph. I got an honest question for you, man. All right. So I'm assuming that's also your wife, right? She doesn't mind. But would she mind if it was Halle Berry? She probably would. I think most women would. Dude, women are catty and competitive. You don't want to do that to them. Right. Oh man. Don't do that to them. John Cashello, please don't do that. We want you in our community for an extended period of time. We don't know. We don't want bodies in our community, man. Please,
none of that.
live a long, prosperous life, bro. Don't fuck around and find out, man. Don't risk it. Don't risk it, man. Please don't. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh man, dude, that's me.
Yeah.
Yeah. John Cashello like tries that. His name when he comes back is gonna be Juana Kashita.
Oh, he's
She's
gonna be
gonna
struggling.
snap. She's gonna snip. You're done. Juana Kashita. Sounds like a 3-leg Mexican porn star. Juana Kashita.
Jesus, bro. Okay. All right.
It's fine. Let's see. I have issues, or maybe I don't. The girlfriends I like what I like. We shop in the same section in the market. Hey, Wreck-It Ralph, bro. Whatever market you're shopping at, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, guys, we're done.
Later, team. We will see you later.
Yeah.
We'll try to get some videos out for you guys tonight. I don't know if we're gonna be able to with the timing, but we'll try.
Well, we'll try. Wait, SGB, we have a meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys.